Okay, so Jordan is on his way home, and Hunter and I are going to get him with water balloons because a couple weekends ago, they all attacked me, and now it's payback time. So he's gonna come home and find this. So when he comes home, he's going to read that note, and he's going to turn around, and Hunter and I are going to come out of the garage door right here on the side of the house, and we're going to get him, and he's going to be stuck because he's going to be up in the steps. So here, Jordan's going to come home, and he's going to go up the stairs, and he's going to read that note, and me and Hunter are going to be in here, and when we hear him going up the stairs, we're going to quietly open the door, and we're going to ambush him, and he's going to be stuck with the door locked. Oh, it's going to be epic. Okay, so Hunter and I are in the garage. We're quietly waiting for him. Here, I'll show you what we got. So here we got some water balloons and water guns. We're going to get him so good. Yes. It's going to be so funny. See you guys. It's time. Don't until he's back. Oh my God. So we got him pretty good. Even though I missed it, I couldn't get my camera angled while throwing water balloons. But our plan did work and we got him.